contact.
Both engines, half speed ahead. Combat Unit 2, ready to launch the missile.
Keeping watch. Attention, enemy ship spotted.
Flake speed ahead. Captain, the target has been captured. The enemy has been destroyed. Half ahead. What the hell?
Establishing visual contact. The enemy has launched missiles. Prepare for impact.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Equipment is battle ready. Fire on command. The target destroyed. Establish visual contact. That's a hit. Torpedo 2 fired. Both engines, half speed ahead. Fire on command. Torpedo launch authorized.
Establishing visual contact.
25 knots ahead. Ready to open fire on the enemy. We are under fire. Combat Unit 5, assess the damage.
Keeping watch.
Establish visual contact.
Torpedo incoming. Prepare for impact.
Stand by for action. All hands to battle station. Target hit. Superior is taken. Abandoned ship. Lifeboats into the water. Take your positions. This is not a drill.
Keeping watch. Hits confirmed. Establishing visual contact.
The target is within range. Establish visual contact.
Attacking missile heading towards the spotted.
Half ahead.
I see a hit on the target.
Stop engines.
Keeping watch.
Ready to open fire on the enemy.
Our ship is under enemy attack.
Torpedo fired. Fire on command. The target is within range. Stop the engines. Half astern. Missile launch. Target hit. Flake speed ahead. Stop engines.
Prepare to fire.
Establish visual contact. Ready to open fire on the enemy. Torpedo fired.
Establishing visual contact. I see a hit on the target.
Enemy missile attack.
We are under attack. Damage reported.
Enemy elimination confirmed. Establish visual contact. Stop the engines. Stand by for action. All hands to battle stations.
Missiles on the radar. We are under attack. Keeping watch.
The target is within range. Torpedo tubes ready. Fire at will. Do not wait for command.
That's a hit! Captain, the target has been captured!
Establish visual contact.
We are under attack. Damage reported. Reconstruction work in progress. Missiles ready for launch. Waiting for target designation.
Both engines. Half speed ahead.
Target hit! Enemy target eliminated. The target is within range. Torpedo fired. Fire on command. Missile launched at target. Rocket launch on ship detected.
Stop the engines. Half ahead. Slow astern. Full.
Our ship is under enemy attack. Hit confirmed.
Torpedo launch authorized. Both engines. Half speed ahead.
The enemy has launched missiles. Prepare for impact.
Fire on command.
Attention. Critical damage to the ship. I see a hit on the target.
Target destroyed.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Keeping watch.
Fire at will. Do not wait for command. Establish visual contact.
Fire on command. Sound of propellers detected. It's moving straight towards us. Captain, the target has been captured.
We are under fire. Combat Unit 5. Assess the damage. Critical hits.
Keeping watch.
Ready to open fire on the enemy. Stand by for action. All hands to battle stations.
Establishing visual contact. Missiles launched. Hit confirmed.
Establish visual contact.
The target is within range.
The enemy has been destroyed.
Establishing visual contact. Keeping watch. I see a hit on the target. Torpedo incoming. Prepare for impact. Rocket launch from ship detected.
Establish visual contact. Half ahead.
Torpedo standing by. Keeping watch. That's a hit. Captain, the target has been captured. Fire at the enemy. We are under attack. Damage reported.
Establish visual contact.
Prepare to fire. Target hit. Keeping watch.